All right, guys, I'm showing you room 423 in the Rhythm City Casino and Resort. This is in Davenport, Iowa. It's about 20 minutes from Iowa 80 Truckstop. Really nice casino. Even if you're not a gambler, it's a great place to stop. Really fancy, new looking hotel. So very nice. They've got a couple restaurants, a buffet, and then I believe they said there's also a steakhouse upstairs. All right, so obviously you've got your TV, you've got your little spot to work. There is a fridge, which you can put your drinks in. Nice closet. Got a safe and an ironing board.
It's much larger than your standard hotel safe.
Yeah, it does look like a big safe. Nice seating area. There are, there's all kinds of ports. Didn't even notice these down here. So plug there, 2 plugs here, and a USB. Got a reading light. The view from room 423 is the front of the complex, the casino. All right, so this one is a king bed, huge headboard. Over here, same type of plugs. I guess 3 outlets and a USB. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom. All right, it's got this huge barn door and very large shower. So, see if this can come across on video. Very large shower. One of the biggest we've seen. All right, there's your amenities. So you've got really nice spot to do your makeup or whatever you need to do in here. Even has a little makeup kit for the ladies, plenty of towels, and then your toilet over there. So like I said, they've got, I believe I said 3 restaurants, very large casino floor, and it's about 20 minutes from Iowa 80 Truckstop if you're wanting to check that out. It's also right next to a John Deere training facility. Looks like a very large John Deere facility here. So yeah, that's it. Comments or questions down below the video, and either us or hopefully someone else will answer your questions if you have any.